Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Gloria. Today I will share how to use ABS Filament tool for 3D printing. ABS is a popular material in 3D printing. It's known for its strength, durability, and ability to withstand higher temperatures. This makes it perfect for functional parts, prototypes, and objects that need to endure wear and tear. However, ABS can be a bit tricky to work with due to its tendency to warp and the need for specific printing conditions. But don't worry, I will guide you through the entire process.
Today, we will use T1 to print ABS filament. First, load the model you will print into the slicer. Make sure to set the material to ABS in the filament settings. ABS usually requires a higher extrusion temperature, typically between 220 degrees to 290 degrees. Also, don't forget to set the bed temperature to around 90 degrees to 110 degrees to prevent warping. With our sliced model ready, it's time to start printing. Insert the SD card into your 3D printer and select the file. When printing with ABS, it's crucial to monitor the first few layers. Prepare bad attention is key. So if you see any issues, pause the print and make adjustments. ABS also tends to emit fumes, so it's best to print in a well-ventilated area or use an enclosed 3D printer to manage the environment better.
ABS can be challenging, but with correct settings and a bit more patience, you can achieve excellent results. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial on using ABS filament. I hope these tips can be helpful. Happy printing everyone, and see you in the next video.